Okay, so today I'm going to make the ball star, or no, the cube star. And so, let's see how it works out. So I'm going to need, I guess, a number of things to happen, but yeah, 6 things here. So let's see how that works. I'm going to start with 4 of these, fairly large. Should have a bit larger. And the other one, I'm going to tie this one to it. Yeah, I was a little bit lean on that. I should have done bigger. I'm making a big octagon. Already one's come out. That's not a good sign. Okay, so just pop that here just so I can hold on to it. Now I'm going to make another one here. Right away tie another one to it. Okay, so now the fun begins. So essentially make one more big one and 2 small ones. Make them fairly weeny. Okay, so you're either going to have really big or really small. Okay, so these 2 are going to go right here. We're going to do the exact same thing with this side. And then you're going to go ahead and cross these 2, tie them on to make it a little bit safer for you. Just like that in the middle. Okay, so you've made it kind of a figure 8. And now, you're going to do the same thing with the browns. So you're going to make a big one. And then go 1, and right away, push it up with this one. And make it a figure like that. And the same thing with this side. Big one. Small. Small. Oh, small, and then right away link it up to this one. And come around. And then go straight up to your neighborhood friend here. Similarly, go straight up to your neighborhood friend here, and then tie off the 2 tops here. It's a completely symmetric move. Okay? So we have the figure 8 here, we have the figure 8 here, and let me just reconnect a little bubble here that went around. And so the key is to make sure that you have these little crosses here. Okay? And so now we just, with a shape like that and that, or you can look at it kind of through those eyes, you're going to go make the X here, a little bubble, come around there, might as well do the same here, come around here, similarly with the yellow, around the top, And now, these guys are going to meet in the middle. This guy's going to meet with this guy. Little bubbles. And what we're going to do is make sure they go the right directions. So I'll show you how in just a minute. So I'm going to take these two and connect them. So this is a bit tricky now. Yeah. Okay, so I've taken those two that came across the top and I've connected them here and here. And so what we need to have happen is get one more bubble. It's a small one now. And you have to make sure that you're going to go to the opposite color. There's a little hump here that's not being connected right here. And so you're aiming for that one so that you can go back to the same color. Okay? So a little bubble, and then just pull it through the three in here, and then connect it up like that. And so then it's going to make a nice pyramid there. So I might as well go ahead and do that. So let me just and I could trim that, but for now I'm just going to pop that in there. Okay? And so now you just go around and do exactly the same thing. A little bubble through here, make that join point, and then let's squeeze this down to get similar pressures as the others, and pull it through. On to the next, a little bubble, pull it through here, squeeze, little bubble, and so there you have it. You have a nice, that's the top, I think, the bottom, and then all the way around the edge you get connections like this. And so there you have it. And if you wanted to, you could have left one of those ends or tie it off and then use the string to leave that like that. Or, like I was saying before, you can use it as a little bit of a flower pot, depending on the colors you choose. But anyway, enjoy. There is the, what is it, the cube star. Cheers.